Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see here, Digibyte is one of the unique coin to they will get a profit. Congratulations, many my brothers, my subscriber, my viewers. Please try to understand this time. The Digibyte price will be pumping up if a holder are starting holding. So let me explain now, my brothers, to how much the price will pumps up at the end of month. And yes, my brothers, how much, my friends, they will get a profit in upcoming days. So please try to understand, holder. This is very important video for us, especially short-term investor, especially for new investor, because my friend, when a price will pumping up, the all credit is goes to holders. Yes, my brother, if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding, remember to Digibyte will get a very good profit now. So please, my brothers, this time you can see here Digibyte 0.93% price pumps up, and this all credit I think goes to holders. This time the Digibyte price, you can see here in last 3 days 9.62% get a profit. I think it's temporary, it's not a temporary pump, absolutely it's permanent, because Digibyte is one of the unique coin to they will never fails down. Absolutely, they're day by day moving upward, not like Shiba Inu coin to they will sometime really take a very huge jump, but after that they were very badly fails down. So try to understand, holder, this is comfortable coin. Please try to understand, holder, you will need to invest now in this coin, and I hope, my friends, you will get a very good profit. So this is the big chance, my brothers, so you will invest and you will get a very good profit at the end of month. Please don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.